Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start asset management with JPMorgan Chase, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start asset management with JPMorgan Chase, first, visit the official JPMorgan Chase website. Navigate to the Investment Services section. Look for information specifically related to asset management. Review the different types of asset management services they offer. Identify the services that align with your financial goals. Consider the investment strategies employed by JPMorgan Chase. Next, create an account if you don't already have one. Fill out the required personal and financial information. Verify your identity as part of the registration process. Once your account is set up, log into your account. Explore the tools and resources available for asset management. Utilize educational materials to understand the investment options. Consider speaking with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Schedule a consultation through your account interface. Prepare any questions or concerns you may have for the advisor. After the consultation, assess the recommended investment strategies. Decide on the investment approach that suits your needs. Start funding your investment account as per the chosen strategy. Monitor your investments regularly through the online platform. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. Utilize the customer support team if you encounter any issues. Review your goals periodically and consult with your advisor for updates. Maintain a long-term perspective while managing your assets. Be proactive in rebalancing your portfolio as necessary. Record your investment performance over time to track progress. Continuously educate yourself about asset management techniques. Engage with community forums or discussions related to asset management. Stay committed to your financial plan and adjust it as your needs evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.